Glaciers on the north side of Ellesmere Island are depleting due to warming global temperatures. One study found that 6% of the total ice mass surrounding the area had depleted between the years of 1999 and 2015. This drastic decrease in ice mass has crucial impacts on the glaciers themselves, as well as the overall climate of the island and surrounding areas. Canada as a whole is much more vulnerable to warming than other parts of the world due to its northern geographical location. As snow and ice are depleted surrounding the country, so is the reflectiveness of the surface. This means more sunlight is being absorbed rather than reflected, which then contributes to even higher rates of warming. This is an example of a positive feedback cycle. As Ellesmere Island is one of the most northern locations within Canada's borders, the glaciers surrounding it are of particular interest in regards to this issue. As the planet warms and this positive feedback cycle continues, the glaciers in question are expected to continue melting at alarming rates, thus increasing the rate of warming itself. This means decreases in glacial masses, increased intensities of tropical storms, increased rates of droughts and wildfires, as well as other climate-related changes associated with increasing temperatures. Glacial melting is associated with increased sea level, warming temperatures, and extreme weather events. As glaciers continue to melt, the sea level surrounding Ellesmere Island will likely rise, which will increase rates of flooding and cause damage to coastal communities. These communities, especially those indigenous to the land, rely on the lake as a source of food and natural resources. Because melting glaciers have catastrophic impacts on the surrounding lakes and the aquatic species that inhabit it, the people living in these coastal communities will face food loss in drastic measures. In addition to this, warming temperatures can contribute to unprecedented heat waves and possibly even extreme storms, which could have catastrophic effects on the communities and wildlife. Currently, no specific solutions have been outlined to solve this climate issue. However, as with other climate-related issues, reducing habits that contribute to global warming is the best way to help slow effects of these issues.